How about that then? Hey. When you start your day like that, you know it's going to be a good day. That is where it's at. Alright everyone, just about to make a move a little bit, not going to drive far. I've just spent pretty much all morning flipping editing, or catching up on the videos. Obviously lost a day or two, didn't we, so I don't like it when I'm more than one day ahead because it just gets confusing. It's easier when it's the next day because then you're sort of fresh in your mind still. Makes it better for the edit as well, because obviously whatever I felt the day before I can remember it, so it just, you know, how you cut the video together and everything, it's just more, you'll feel what I feel a bit more, if that makes sense, because it's like a daily thing, you know. I'm filming every day, obviously sometimes I don't get to upload every day, but you watch it each day of my life. You're living my life basically. It's kind of weird to think, but that's the way I like to do it. I feel like you can connect with what I'm doing a lot better than if I just were to say make, I don't know, one video a week or something and just put all the best bits in, and you know, yeah, it'd look nice and it'd be all like perfectly done and nice edit, nice filming, whatever, but I don't think it'd be the same. I think that would take away from what I actually wanted it to be. As much as it is a bit of a struggle doing it this way, I think it's the best way, so I'm going to carry on doing it. Right, that is proper. Couldn't see anything when we got here last night.
1.5 kilometers, turn right.
Same.
My mum should get together and be sick, eh?
Trust me mate, it's going to get a lot worse than this.
Yeah, I know.
Gears.
Yeah.
Now's the time.
Well, 1 kilometre. I hear it really doesn't sound good.
Yeah, just keep the revs down with the brakes, but don't use them too much. Can't really see on camera photos, but this is pretty steep. Obviously not as steep as we've been in the past, but it's good enough practice for Marie. So go out wide.
Turn left. Turn left.
Not so bad.
That's like a decent road though, isn't it?
Very, very decent. Generally folks, as long as you stay on the D roads, you're pretty much alright to an extent. Most of them are okay. As soon as you start slipping onto the smaller ones, or the unnamed roads on here, that's when you run into problems. Like what we had in Switzerland. I mean, that was my own fault for blindly following the sat nav without questioning it. I'll never make that mistake again. But yeah, generally speaking, D roads are your friend. In England terms, they're the country lane, or like the country road equivalent. Just same again, keep it in like a second and just cruise up. Camera definitely on the dashboard for this.
Hey, if a car comes, what do we do?
Panic.
20 now. Help!
How you been practicing your hill starts?
How can I practice them?
Oh, I love these kind of roads. They're so sketchy.
In 2.5 kilometres, turn left.
Now I have the feeling we really should have got a tow rope, because I can see one of us going in the ditch.
Mate, it's either the ditch or dead. I'd sooner have the ditch.
Yeah, but with the rest of my vehicle, I think it would go in there and my van would just split in half.
If you have to get down to first at any point, don't matter, just do it. You do not want to stall. Also, don't get too close to me in case I roll backwards.
I was literally just thinking that.
This road is literally the width of our vans, that's it. I'd go first on here, mate.
What?
Go first on here, or leaves. Back in the mountains, mate! Oh, I've missed shitting myself every time I drive my car.
No, mate, literally my stomach doesn't exist anymore.
Oh, if something comes the other way, we are toast. So sketchy. It really is, isn't it? If you're in a car, it's not too bad, but you're in these buses, it gets the heart rate going.
I'm sweaty.
Turn left.
Yeah, you always want to keep an eye on your temperature gauge as well when you're climbing like this.
Yeah, I don't even know if mine works anyway.
If we get to the top of here and it's closed as well, I'm literally just going to give up and go to sleep. Top.
I'm quite surprised how well my van is doing though.
Yeah, as long as you sort of take everything slowly and don't try and rush it, you'll be alright.
Just like you.
We're in a farm now. No problem.
Although I wish I was a cow right now.
I love my sat-nav so much. I guarantee no other motorhome has been down this road before. And now there's a bloody 3.5 ton Iveco Daily and a Talbot Express. Oh God. France is just the place, I'm telling you. It's such a good country. You've got everything here.
So hungry.
Folks, how much have you missed these scenes? I know I have. I feel like I'm home. Leave the camera alone.
More like it, isn't it?
There's a bit.
We always park near church, I know.
Give me what? That's €3, mate.
What is for water?
Free for 24 hours.
Let's go and drive.
Sick. I can't believe it's not top as that.
I know.
You wanted the pictures of the spot where I was going as well. Meg. It's on top of a volcano.
It's obviously closed for a reason, isn't it?
My whole YouTube channel is just me drinking.
Follow this alcoholic on his journey.
Yeah, that's what it is. Hello? Smell it, it smells good. Oh.
Hello. I did that thing where it stayed on, and then I turned that to 100%.
Oh, good. Oh, it lit me in the mouth.
You like? You've got the job of choosing a film now.
Watch movies first, huh? My movies.
Oh yeah, your movie.
Ash Spielberg. Pardon?
Don't know about that, Bubble. Get back. Come on. See bird. He's a good boy. Try and lick me. Mr. Licky. Come on.
Fashion model.
Oh, actually.
Oh God, it's cold. Oh, the frost on the van. It's definitely...
No.
Is that why it was cold by any chance?
No. Who's just going?
You had your roof open. Right, I'm going in. See you in the morning. Oh, there we go. I absolutely love. I love this so much.